Na inavunjika yote. Kwa hiyo siku nataka ivunjike. Imeharibika. Lakini tunaona sasa hizi zitaiva. Angalia ndani. Guys, oh, I forgot you're there. This is my favorite fruit here. Tomato. I don't know. So sweet. One of the advantages of being in the village. Anyway, guys, it's that season again. It's raining, farming. So sweet. I have so many. Do you want 1, subscribe and then you pass here taking 1, or you like and pass here taking 1. There are so many, enough for all of you. Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I welcome you again on my YouTube. Thank you for the regular subscribers for always showing up. You mean so much, guys. You are the reason I'm doing videos. So guys, welcome back. As we welcome the rains, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you're an old subscriber, thank you for always coming back. It means so much to me, guys. So guys, we are welcoming the rains. And with the rains, that means planting season. Woo! Months, it has been very hot. And dusty. If you could see our roads right now, I know it's very slippery. Those who are passing through the roads, I know they are falling down. It's very slippery. But it's raining. It's raining. We thank God for the rain. Guys, it's raining. This is how we're collecting the rainy water. The grounds were thirsty. The trees, our vegetables, you can see them, they were so dry. The compound, everything was so thirsty. Guys, you can see our bananas, they had changed even the colors. Actually, I burned them when I was burning garbage. So everything was so thirsty. You can see that. And the ground is also enjoying the rains. Let it rain. Let it rain. It's raining. Oh my goodness. After a very long time with sun, dust, it's finally raining. Now that's me being sneaking in my neighbor's compounds. And our compound, and then sneaking in our neighbor's compound. I'm sneaking. Our bananas are so dry. See the banana trees? Anyway, we thank God for the rains. The rains. Hey, people are getting sick with the situation at the... Guys, oh my goodness. Guys, can you see? People complain whether it's hot, whether it's cold, whether it's... People always find a reason to complain with any weather. I don't know if it's just a human thing, but we always find a reason to complain, whether it's hot. This is our situation, guys. Whether it's cold, we'll complain with the cold weather. Whether it's dusty, we'll find a reason to complain. The rainy season, this is how we collect cooking water, guys. Let me show you. My jerrycans here, and then I have to put that water. That's how we always collect water on the rainy. I think we need to buy guts and put up there, but this is the way we are collecting water right now. guys, we have 50 liters of clean water. See, this is all the data I've saved. So we have 50 liters of clean rainy water. Yeah, go and see our road. Every time it rains, our roads are not passable. So let's go and see how our roads are. We are enjoying the rain, guys. I can't believe. Guys, actually I'm enjoying doing vlogging. You guys are so good. Let me show you. We have rivers here. The water came inside. Let's see outside. Wow, guys, see. My goodness, this is our road. Oh my god, how can motorbikes pass here? Guys, can you see? Oh my goodness, just in our doorstep. How can motorbikes pass here? I don't know if you guys can see. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. What is this? Can you see, guys? Oh my goodness. Just next to our doorstep. How can you pass here? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Especially that place. That is the worst place of them all. This road is impassable. Now you see what the rain does to us. When it rains, you stay indoors, not going outside. That is a river in itself. And guys, and you know what the worst part is? Kids are coming from school. Where will they pass? This is their only road. Oh my god, guys, let me show you. Oh my kids, they're just coming from collecting firewood. Menyeshewa? Kai, napa mjichunge pameteleza. Na ndio mlienda mapema? Tulienda ya kwanza. Oh, hii ni ya pili. Kai na mmenyeshewa kimwenda mbadilishe manguo. Hapo ni pabaya. You've seen, those ones are coming from firewood, and you can imagine school kids are still coming. They'll pass through the same road. Guys, it's that bad. Yeah, anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching this video, this ranting video. Apparently, school kids don't care about anything, you know? Nawe utadungwa. They enjoy playing in this muddy water. I remember when we were young, we used, actually for us, we used to walk barefoot without shoes. The kids nowadays are so lucky. They have shoes. I remember our days we used to walk barefoot. And rain is coming back again. Oh my goodness. How will those kids go home? Anytime soon. So I think it's best we move our chicken right now. Because it's flooded even inside. The chicken are scared.
Why don't you carry it with Kitaro rope? Yes, like that.
See these ones? This one right now, This place is flooded and I need to move our chicken. See the mother and the two chicks. Guys, I think the chicken have refused to come out because of the rains. I'll put the bridge and see if they'll use the bridge. Guys, they refuse. This is the way I'm moving them. And let's go inside. I'm tired. That's the situation. See, I had to move the chicken because it's wet and I cannot let the small chicken stay there. So I had to move them. And I don't think the rain will stop raining. My hair is coming. Whew. When it rains in the village, it's hectic. But we thank God. All in all, we thank God because we really wanted the rain. I've moved the small ones. At least these ones can stay here until evening, and then I'll move them because they can't sleep here. I'll move them later. They can't sleep here. Naibeba tu saa hii ngoje. We need that heat in the house. That's why I'm lighting the charcoal to keep warm now. Guys, I'm glad I'm doing these videos. At least they'll serve me as a memory of what I was doing in this village. This is a very good memory. My life diary. Can you hear? It's still going to rain. I think today the rain is not stopping. The skies are angry. Or maybe God is blessing us. The skies are talking. It's still going to rain. Thank you so much for watching this video. It means so much to me. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, kindly give it a thumbs up. Till next time, stay blessed, guys. Whew.